Hi there, my name is Carla Anne. I'm the car lady here at Highway Mazda. Hi, today I'm going to tell you a little bit about how to choose a point of interest using your navigation, your voice activation specifically, okay? So a few things, when you're going for a point of interest, there are some that it will go to directly, some that it will not, but you can usually go to the category directly and then from there use your HMI knob to select the correct one. So I'm going to try and show you everything really quickly. Let's get started. So you start with your video or your main screen, just at the home screen by touching the home button. Once you're here, you're going to use your voice activation button, which is right here, the little talking face. So I'm going to do that and I'm going to say navigation.
Say a command.
Navigation.
Say a command. Say a command.
Find nearest fuel station.
Say the desired line number. You can also say, try again.
Line 1.
To begin navigation, say stop.
So what happened there is I said take me to the nearest, and then I said the category. So fuel station was the category I wanted, and then what comes up is a list of the different fuel stations that are nearby. When that happens with my HMI knob, I can select the one I want to go to. If it's not visible on the screen. If it's visible on the screen, I can just say select line 2, line 4, whatever one I want, okay? You can't say take me to the nearest co-op gas, because that is not a category. So the gas station or fuel station is the actual category. So let's try another one.
Say a command.
Find nearest shopping.
Say the desired line number. You can also say, try again.
Line 1.
Say the desired line
So here you
number.
can see what's
You can
available.
also say, try again.
Line 4.
To begin navigation, say start. Navigating to selected address.
So that's how you would find the category. Now you notice that when I said shopping, a few other things came up. There are a few companies that you can find directly. In Canada, there are not nearly as many as there are in the US, but there are a few. Let's check out this one. Here we go. Let's try it.
Say a command.
Find nearest Starbucks.
Say the desired line number. You can also say, try again.
Line 1.
To begin navigation, say start.
Start. So that's how it works. Now Starbucks, of course, is a very common business, and so that's why it is in there. There are going to be a few others. You can test them out, but it's better to go to the category. So I'm going to just go back now to the voice activation button. When you press the voice activation button, you're going to get a list of commands that you can say that will help you get to where you want to go. All right, so let's take a look at that. When I press the button, this comes up here, and these are the voice activation commands you can say. So find nearest, and then point of interest category. That's how you're going to say that. I do need to tell you one thing. You might not know what the categories are or how to find them and what to call them. So I'm going to show you where to find them. In your screen, if you go over to navigation and click it here, then let's go back to the main. So it's gonna take you first of all to your navigation screen. When you on the very bottom, there's this little arrow, looks like a teardrop with a hole in the center. Click on that, and it brings you here. Now, if you go over to category, this is where your categories are. So you'll see there's accommodation, airport, automotive, business, cafe or bar, community, finance, fuel station, leisure, marine, medical, parking, restaurant, shopping, sports, and transport. So your grocery would be here under shopping, for example. So these might come up. If you don't know which one you want, just choose search in all subcategories. That's normally what I do. Now, if you want a specific restaurant, you would go into here. And if you want a specific kind, let's say, I don't know, you're looking for, I don't know, Greek. Then you would click on Greek and you would find the ones that are listed in here. That does not mean that's all of the ones that are Greek, but that's the ones that are listed in the system. But anyway, so you can't search by subcategory, but you can search by the overall category. Right? So if you have any questions, please give me a call. I'm Carla Anne. I'm the car lady at Highway Mazda in Steinbach. The number to reach me here is 204-326-6437. I look forward to talking to you. Bye-bye.